Guys, back with another video. I know I haven't posted in like 7 months, but we're gonna post now. We're unboxing samurai. These are the stats and stuff. For the nerds and stuff. Okay. Now let's unbox it. Comes with a sword launcher. A little struggle. Okay. Okay, comes with this cool sword launcher. Oh, wow. Yeah, it feels good. It like launches good though. We're gonna see when I get the video. Okay. It comes with these little quote-unquote grips.
Those don't have any like silicone or anything?
No, but it's just plastic.
Oh, I don't know if that's
They went a bit cheap on it though.
I don't know if that's gonna help you grip.
It's gonna grip, sure. Oh wait, it's kinda grippy, you can feel it.
Oh, that is grippy.
Yeah, it's grippy.
It does have like a layer. Yeah,
okay.
it's definitely grippy.
So, to put it on,
yeah.
I know how to do it because I'm a professional.
No, he doesn't. Clearly.
The heck? Is this how you put it on? Oh yeah, that feels right. Then which? Am I missing some parts here? That's just me. Okay.
Sorry, he's a little bit.
Unpacked for me. Okay. You can see they did very good job of securing the bay. Okay. There. So this is the top. If you want to steal the code from me, I don't really care. Wait, gotta get it. Okay. And there's a gimmick where when you launch it, these little propeller things come out. I really think it's not going to change anything.
Wait, let's see it. Oh, cool.
No, it like stays out. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay.
Probably get knocked right back in, but.
Yeah, we don't mind. Wait, did they forget to give me some parts? Is that just me?
What?
I don't have enough parts to even put this on. Wait. I think I'm missing some parts, bro. Oh, no. Never mind, guys. Never mind. I'm not missing any parts.
It's just stupid.
Actually, I think I am missing parts. Oh, guys. Wait, let me just check how it's supposed to look. Oh. This is supposed to go in here, I think. This launcher's set. Okay. Right.
Sorry, he's pretty stupid.
I don't think it. Ah. Wait, this looks really off. Okay. Okay. Pretty cool launcher. I like it.
Feel like, wait, there's still this piece though.
Oh, yeah. Where does this go? I think this is.
What about right there?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. Sure, it doesn't go there. Yeah, it looks really off. Oh, well, enough with this launcher. The launcher feels pretty good.
Wait, test. Just, you don't have to actually launch, but just like, feel it.
Well, that feels nice and cheap. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna open the parts. Looks like it comes with the unknown bottom. I don't know what the bottom's called, but there's that little rubber thing right there.
Oh yeah, there's like that little rubber ring. Won't focus.
And this looks like, oh no, is it this middle? No, it's this middle.
Wait, no.
It's the middle that breaks really easily.
Oh, wait, no? Right?
Kind of looks like it.
Are you talking about the one that's on the Iron Man right now?
No, the left today. Oh, it doesn't burst. Okay. Let's do a test launch. Okay, guys?
And next video we can do some battles.
Yep. It's definitely the first time.
I mean, it has rubbers though.
Okay, guys. So,
Okay, that's the day.
bye. Everyone subscribe or else you're really weird.